Today, I will show you how to open the output window in Roblox Studio and understand how it works. First, open Roblox Studio and load your game or start a new base plate. At the top of the screen, go to the menu bar and click on the Window tab. From the drop-down menu, find and check the option called Output. Once you do that, the output window will appear, usually at the bottom of your screen. This window shows messages from your scripts while the game is running. Now let's see how it works. Go back to the Home tab and insert a part into your game. When the block appears in your workspace, open the Explorer panel. You will see that your new part is already selected. Click the small plus button next to it, and from the list that appears, double-click on Script. A new script will be added under the part. Inside the script, you will notice the text print Hello World. This line tells Roblox to send the message Hello World to the output window when the game runs. Next, click the play button at the top of the screen to start your game. Look at the output window again. You will see the words Hello World printed there, along with other messages that come from your game. The output window is useful for testing and debugging your scripts because it shows exactly what your code is doing. That is how you open and use the output window in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching.